everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be undecorating, taking down all of the Christmas decorations, as well as cleaning everything on the main floor, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the dining room, and cleaning the living room. Honestly, this makes me so sad every year because I really love celebrating Christmas and all that, and once the decorations come off, it really hits you that the holidays are over until the next year. But to be honest, I feel like time just goes by so fast these days, especially 2020. I feel like everything happened in 1 month and then boom, Christmas and the new year came, which just went by so quickly. I am honestly so ready for this new year. I've already set some goals that I would like to accomplish by the end of the year. And for this year, I want to start eating healthier and working out more. So far, I've been working out since January 1st. Today is the 3rd. Right now, I'm working out like every day, but eventually I want to get in the habit of working out a few times a week, maybe like 2 or 3 times. I also want to get better with grocery shopping, so I started implementing weekly meals and basically just writing out a weekly menu and buying what I need for that week rather than going to the grocery store and buying a whole bunch of food and then it just sits there and goes to waste, because that happens a lot. I don't know if that happens to anybody, but because it's just me and my boyfriend in this house, I don't know, sometimes I feel like that's just an issue between us. So I started kind of just like making weekly menus and just buying what I need instead of buying too much. So I want to get better with that as well. And let me know if you guys have any goals you would like to accomplish as well. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Now that the decorations are out, the house looks so bare, and we've only been in this house for about a year and a half now. And last year, I didn't get a chance to decorate after Christmas, like buying regular home decor stuff, because then COVID came. And that was just like the last thing on my mind. And even now, that's like the last thing on my mind because I have classes coming up and I'm just like, my head is kind of just focused on finishing school, especially because this is my last semester. So decorating for the house is just like not on my list at the moment. Baby. Guys, I don't know how this house gets so messy. I just cleaned it like a week ago and it feels like I never did. But now that the decorations are gone, it's definitely gonna feel less cluttered in the house. So last year we bought those 2 red bins for the Christmas decor, and this year it was not enough, so I had to put a lot of things away in plastic bags and stick them in the attic. And after opening the Christmas boxes this year, I learned my lesson with putting things away, because last year I kind of just put them however. I didn't really think about things bending. So this year a lot of the decor was bent, like the fake trees and stuff, so I made sure I didn't put them in the boxes and just bagged them up separately, and they're just stored in the attic. But I really just learned my lesson because a lot of things were a little bit damaged, but you know, I still put them up.
Let's say I let you call me baby. Let's say I let you hold my hand. Let's say I let you stay for coffee in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me. Let's say I let you buy me dinner. Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy. Let's say I miss you when I'm tipsy. Let's say I think about you once or twice. Let's say I want you to want me. Maybe
Because some ornaments are very fragile, they are wrapped in newspaper so they don't break. I also put the red ornaments in one bag and the silver in another bag. Since I was getting rid of the boxes that they came in, I ended up just putting them in some random plastic bags from like Walmart and Target and stuff.
nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy. Oh, he was nothing but a city boy. Oh, nothing but a city boy. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now.
The only thing I didn't do that day was take the tree down. I had to wait for my boyfriend to get home because it's very heavy to take up to the attic, and I didn't want it to just lay there and be in the way, so I left that up for him to take care of all that.
Too young, too scared. I wasn't ready. I'm restless, longing inside my body, growing stronger. Could you release me? Stay away from me. I had it all. I had it all. I had it all. But somehow I lost it. Had it all. I had to fall and I lose myself. Will you be my real light? I want
And the last thing I ended up doing was wiping down the TV stand, putting the old decor that usually goes on there, and adding the pillows on the side, and also vacuuming the carpet. And yeah, the house is pretty much back to normal, just very bare and very simple. And just like that, the holiday season is over until next year, which is very depressing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Be my ray of light. Be my ray of light. But I can't find my way back home. I want you. I need you. Wait for me. Wait a little longer. Wait for me. Wait a little longer. When I can't find my way back home. I need you. I need you. Your heart tonight.